Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel and welcome back to another clean and undecorate with me. So today I'm going to be taking down my Christmas tree and all my Christmas decoration, and I'm going to be cleaning a little bit as I go. So this video is pre-recorded, but it's getting uploaded late just like the last one, so I got a little off track. So I'm just trying to play catch up. So once I upload this video, I'll be all caught up as far as like old videos, and then I can focus on getting the new videos out for 2022. So but yeah, that's pretty much all I'm gonna be doing in this video. So I'm not gonna do a whole lot of talking, because this video is already going up late. So I just want to go ahead and get this video uploaded for y'all. So yeah, that's pretty much that. I'm gonna go ahead and get right into this video, and I hope y'all enjoy it.
Under my tattoos, just a remedy, and the way you go, baby, don't you know, there's a remedy, yeah, there's a remedy, oh no, darling, Palooza, ain't gonna lose ya, I'm gonna do that, darling, Palooza, ain't gonna lose ya.
So y'all, I don't know which is worse, putting the lights on the tree or taking them off, because this is a piece of work taking all these lights off the tree. That's why I wanted a pre-lit tree, so I won't have to worry about doing all that. But since they didn't have the one I wanted, I ended up buying my own lights. But I still enjoyed my new white tree. It turned out real nice, so I do look forward to decorating it again, probably with a new color theme. But I really enjoyed my new tree. So yeah, right here I was struggling to try to get this tree detached. The top part came off with no problem, but this second part was giving me a hard time. So I wasn't sure if I was pulling in the right spot or what, but it would not, move. So I had to get out my little step stool to help myself out and pull it from the top, and it came, right off. So I don't know what it was, but y'all, I was over here struggling.
To be daring, baby, dance the night away. I let my head down if I won. Don't you just get tired chasing fame and being pretty all the time? Doesn't sound like fun. You can do better. Let me show you what a good time looks like. You can do better, so much better. I don't fit into your box, beauty queens without no flaws. You can do better. I dare you to be wilder. I don't fit into your box, beauty queens without no flaws. You can do better. I dare you to be wilder. I want to be silly, baby, dance the night away. I'll kick my shoes off if I want. Let yourself be free, and maybe you will find that there is more to life than being pretty. Honey, let's just face it. You can do better. Let me show you what a good time looks like. You can do better, so much better. I don't fit into your box, beauty queens without no flaws. You can do better. I dare you to be wilder. I don't fit into your box, beauty queens without no flaws. You can do better. I dare you to be wilder. You can. Baby, let your head down, be a little wilder. Baby, kick your shoes off. You don't have to hide it. Baby, let your head down, be a little wilder. Baby, kick your shoes off, don't hide it. I don't fit into your box, beauty queens without no flaws. You can do better. I dare you to be wilder. I don't fit into your box, beauty queens without no flaws. You can do better. I dare you to be wilder. I don't fit into your box, beauty queens without no flaws. You can do better. I dare you to be wilder. I don't fit into your box, beauty queens without no flaws. You can do better. I dare you to be wilder. I want to be daring, baby, dance the night away. I let my head down if I won. Don't you just get tired chasing fame and being pretty all the time? Doesn't sound like fun. You can do better. Let me show you what a good time looks like. You can do better, so much better. I don't fit into your box, beauty queens without no flaws. find one. Let yourself be free and maybe you will find that there is more to life than being pretty. Honey, let's just face it, you can do better. Let me show you what a good time looks like. You can do better, so much better.
So y'all, that's pretty much it for this video. I hope y'all enjoyed it. If you did, make sure you like, comment, and don't forget to subscribe before you leave. So that's pretty much it. I thank y'all for watching, and I'll be chatting with you in the next one.
You can do better, I dare you to be wilder. You can. Baby, let your head down, be a little wilder. Baby, kick your shoes off, you don't have to hide it. Baby, let your